Himanshika. In this video, we will discuss about operations on matrices. In previous video, we studied about types of matrices. So today in this video, we will cover addition of matrices, subtraction of matrices, multiplication of matrices, transpose of matrices, and other operations on matrices we will discuss on next video. So now let's talk about addition on matrices. So if A is equals to A11, A12, A21, A22, then B is equals to A11, A12, A21, A22. So then A plus B. Then A11 plus A11, A12 plus A12, A21 plus A21, A22 plus A22. This is the format of addition matrices. So now let's talk about some properties of addition on matrices. Then first one is A plus B is equals to B plus A. This is commutative law. And second one is A plus B plus C is equals to A plus B plus C. This is associative law. And A plus 0 is equals to 0 plus A is equals to A. Then fourth one is A plus minus A is equals to minus A plus A is equals to 0. So now take an example. So if A is equals to this and B is equals to this, then find A plus B. So given A is equals to 3, 7, minus 2, 1, and B is equals to 2, minus 1, 3, 4. Find A plus B. So solution. A plus B. Put the value. A is equals to 3, 7, minus 2, 1 plus B. B is equals to 2, minus 1, 3, 4. So 3 plus 2 minus 2 plus 3, 7 plus minus minus. So minus 1 plus 4. Then solve them. 3 plus 2, 5. 7 minus 1, 6. Minus 2 plus 3, 1. 1 plus 4, 5. This is the answer. So now let's talk about subtraction on matrices. Then A is equals to A11, A12, A21, A22. Then B is equals to A11, A12, A21, A22. Then A minus B. So A11 minus A11. Then A12 minus A12, A21 minus A21, A22 minus A22. So this is the format of subtraction on matrices. So now take an example. Then if A is equals to this and B is equals to this, then find A minus B. So given A is equals to 2, 4, 1, minus 9, 5, 9, 7, 6, 2, and B is equals to 3, 4, 8, minus 2, 6, minus 5, minus 1, minus 3, 4. Find A minus B. Then put minus 3 4 8 minus 2 6 minus 5 minus 1 minus 3 4, then 2 multiply there, minus 3 4 minus 4 1 minus 8 minus 9 minus minus plus, so plus 2 5 minus 6 9 minus minus plus 7 minus minus plus, then 1 7 plus 1 6 minus minus plus 3 2 minus 4 then 2 minus 3 is equals to minus 1, 4 minus 4 cancel out, 1 minus 8 minus 7 minus 9 plus 2 minus 7 5 minus 6 minus 1, hello, 9 plus 5 hello, 14 7 plus 1 8 6 plus 3 9 2 minus 4 2. This is the answer. So now let's talk about multiplication on matrices. So A is equals to this and B is equals to this. In this case, first row multiply by first column, then A11 multiply A11 plus A12 multiply A21. Then first row multiply by second column, A11 multiply A12 plus A12 multiply A22. Then second row multiply by first column, then A21 multiply A11 plus A22 multiply A21. Then second row multiply by second column, then A21 multiply A12 plus A22 multiply A22. This is the format of multiplication on matrices. So now let's talk about some properties of multiplication on matrices. Then first one is distribution law. So A into B plus C is equals to AB plus AC. Second one is commutative law. AB not equal to BA. Third one is cancellation law. AB equals to AC but B not equals to C. So fourth one is associative law. AB multiply C is equals to A multiply BC. Then AB is equals to O, so BA not equals to O. Then A matrix order M into N and O null matrix N into P. Then A M into N, O N into P is equals to O M into P. So now there is an example. If A is equals to this, P is equals to this, then find A into P. So given A is equals to 2 minus 3 1 4 and B is equals to 6 3 1 2, then the value 2 minus 3 1 4 multiply 6 3 1 2. Then first row multiply by first column. 2 multiply 6 plus 1 multiply 3. Then first row multiply by second column. 2 multiply 1 plus 1 multiply 2. Then second row multiply by first column. Minus 3 multiply 6 plus 4 multiply 3. Then second row multiply by second column. Minus 3 multiply by 1 plus 4 multiply by 2. Then solve. 2 multiply 6 12. 1 into 3 plus 3. 2 multiply 1 2 plus 2. Minus 3 multiply 6 minus 18 plus 4 into 3 12. Minus 3 multiply 1 minus 3. 4 multiply 2 8. 12 plus 3 15. Minus 18 plus 12 minus 6. 2 plus 2 4. Minus 3 plus 8 minus 5. This is our answer. So now let's talk about transpose on matrices. So transpose is represented by dash, and in this case row converted into column and column converted into row. So find A dash, then A is equals to 2 4 3 minus 9. Then this is row and this is column. So row converted into column. So 2 3 4 minus 9. This is A dash. If you like it, so please like, comment, share and also subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.